guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Josette. So today is going to be my 7-month Microlocs update. I feel like I just did my 6-month update. The time is flying and I'm getting closer and closer to my 1-year locked mark. So this video is not going to be too long because not too much has changed, but I feel like I said in my 6-month update, that was really the turning point for me. So now I am just really feeling more locked. So let's get into the video. One thing I did differently this time around for my wash day was I did not braid and band. When I didn't braid and band a few months ago, I definitely suffered the consequences. But this time around, I didn't see much of a difference. Keep in mind, I am very due for my retie. It has been about 6 weeks since my last retie, so yeah, I'm very due for one, but I figured I would just try out not braiding and banding, and since I'm experiencing less slippage now, I was really shocked to feel around my hair and feel that, yeah, it really did not make that much of a difference, which was it was a relief for me because braiding and banding is not too much of a hassle, but at the same time, just jumping in the shower and washing your hair as is much more convenient. I don't want to say that I'm completely done with bunching and banding, but I'm gonna test out my next wash with no bunching and banding again after my retie and see how much of a difference it actually does make. Because I have so much new growth, maybe I'm not noticing a difference. But anyways, yeah, I did not bunch and band and my locks have not unraveled. I think that is due to the fact that my hair really is locking, and when I go in and feel, I really don't have any crazy slippage. I mean, the really soft areas of my hair have slipped, but I'm not feeling that any of them have fully slipped out, possibly only in this corner right here around my edges, because that's where my hair is extremely soft. Also, today is my birthday. April 20th is my birthday, the day that I'm filming this, not the day that this goes up. I am 26 years old and I'm 7 months locked. So yeah, just an exciting time right now. I don't know about you guys, but once you hit like 25, birthdays just feel different. I don't know if I'm the only one. It's like, it really hits you that, okay, I'm a grown woman and I'm that much closer to 30. And I'm actually personally excited for my 30s. I feel like that's when you really start to live life and build wealth and grow your family, at least for me personally in my life, just because I already have a 2.5-year-old. I'm excited for getting older because I'm excited to build a family and to do things with them. And anyways, that was just a little tangent, but yeah, it's my birthday. So yeah, so another thing that has changed for me is before I really used to hate having all of the new growth, but now that my hair is getting a little bit longer, I love it. I love the fluffiness, the fullness that it gives, all of those things. Just, I really like how this is looking, to be honest. And I'm kind of like, do I want to retie right now? But I know that I have to because I don't want to I've had to go in and separate some locks that really want to attach. So yeah, I'm gonna be starting my retie hopefully tonight or tomorrow, and I will keep you updated on that on my Instagram. So make sure you're following me on Instagram so that you can see all of my retie updates, and I always add them to my story highlights as well on my page. Any other updates? I'm really feeling locked. That's the main thing. It's just when I go in and feel they're really getting there. My hair is damp right now, and I'm also seeing the roots in my locks as well. As my hair sheds, it's getting locked up. That's completely normal. It's part of the locking process. It is a bit annoying to look at because it looks like dirt or lint or dandruff or something, but it's actually the roots of your hair that just kind of shed. But yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Like I said, this is not going to be a huge update because things are pretty similar to month 6. I'm still getting shedding. I'm going to give you a 360 and let me know how far along you are in your journey down below. I would love to hear about that. But yeah, this is my hair, so let's get into the 360. That is it for my 360. I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and comment below, share this video, like this video, and I will definitely see you in my next one. Bye!